Raindrop, drop top, smoking, no cooking the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Cooking up, open the park pot. We came from nothing.
Are out in this area in my town. Look at this cute sushi spot. We are going into Magic Sweet House. Hey, Bubba.
How's that waffle? Good. Try. Nothing in the background. What is it? Almond.
Jenny.
Yup.
Oh, sorry.
You gotta make sure I look good.
This is my mama.
Eat the one with the waffle.
Hey, Lillian. Hi, Mary.
Huh? Even with almond.
Yeah, but I'm about to start cooking. Hey guys, so today I am leaving the house. I'm about to head to my mom's house, trying to get this piece of hair out of here, and pick up my sister Lillian. Then we're all gonna go and hang out. We're gonna go meet up with Linda. I know my hair is so messy. I'm gonna go hang out with Linda today, but go ahead and put this right here. Hey guys!
Do 20% times
Say hi, Kaden.
3,000.
No, say hi.
Another one, 0. I mean 300,000.
We're about to go out to eat.
Time it.
I got back seat with this handsome boy right here. Ooh.
You need
And
60,000.
Linda and Lillian's in the front.
60,000 put down.
We're going out to eat. Where are we eating?
Buy something.
What are we eating?
That's about right. That's about right. Mommy's paying. You know why? Because that's how much mom is paying. My mom paying more.
We are at IKEA. Say hi, guys.
Hi. Hey. First time at IKEA.
Yeah, my first time at IKEA. Hi, you're stuck. Oh, that's cute. Aha, you're stuck. How does it feel to be stuck? Huh, Kaden? You're not stuck? So I want an island like this. This is so cute. Hey guys. Excuse the mess on my face. I have a lot of breakouts going on right now. But I wanted to come on here and show you guys, Chris is in the back. I want to show you guys this thing that I am planning on doing. So this is called 23andMe. So I bought this on Amazon. It was like on sale, 50% off. So this is a saliva test, where a saliva DNA test, where I will send in them my saliva and they're gonna send me back like my ancestry history and my health history. So I'm about to do that today and send it out, and then yeah, after that it's gonna probably take up to maybe a month for them to get the results. So I might be doing a video on it, on just a review of my ancestry history. So, we just left Hardee's right here because we have T-Mobile, and they gave us a, let me see, I can pull it up. Yeah, they gave us a free sausage biscuit, and we both got one. So I got my sausage biscuit here. I'm about to eat this for breakfast.
What should got honey and jelly?
Well, yeah, honey on biscuit. Ooh.
got food on Saturday?
What's Saturday?
I mean, you gonna be at work home.
Hey guys, so we just turned in our paperwork to enter our lease for our apartment. It's a happy day because we hate our apartment.
Good, thank you. I'm sorry, just one moment. You think they turn?
Where's someone? They gave a bag full of salt.